And tonight, we've got some breaking news with Scott Peterson's attempt at a retrial for his infamous murder case. Let's go to NBC News correspondent Liz Kreutz outside of the Los Angeles Superior Court. Liz, what happened? What's this DNA evidence that lawyers think could prove he's not the killer?
Yeah. Hey, Gotti. Well, we just wrapped up this day-long hearing, and the judge made a ruling that really is going to be a setback for Scott Peterson and his quest for a new trial here. He had been asking for several pieces of evidence to be allowed to be tested with this new DNA testing. This is with the backing now of the LA Innocence Project behind him. But at the end of the day here, the judge ruled that no new DNA testing will be able to happen on almost all of these items, specifically what the lawyers had been hoping for, which was this bloody mattress they say was inside a burned out orange van found in Modesto the day after Laci disappeared. They wanted to find out whether the blood on that mattress was Laci Peterson's to make the case that somebody maybe abducted Laci, someone else other than Scott Peterson, and did something in that van. But at the end of the day, the judge said they did not make their argument, and the previous testing had showed that it was the DNA of a man, meaning it was not Laci's, and she said no new testing on that. But Gotti, she is going to allow testing on one item, and that is duct tape that was found on Laci Peterson's pants when she washed up on the San Francisco Bay. So that will be allowed, but still not the outcome that Scott Peterson was hoping for.
So in this one piece of evidence, does that present a big enough opportunity to redo this entire case?
You know, I think that's a great question, Gotti, and I think it seems very challenging. I mean, it has been over 20 years since this murder. It happened in 2002. He was convicted in 2004. So we're talking about some duct tape that's over 20 years old, that was not only old, but was literally in the Bay, the San Francisco Bay. So whether or not it's even really viable, I think is going to be a challenge. And then what they find, I think it's going to be a big uphill battle now for Scott Peterson to get this new trial. But the judge did explicitly say that if something comes to light, some kind of evidence and DNA comes to light in this testing, that she says it could warrant a new trial. So they're going to move forward with this, and there's more hearings scheduled for the coming months.
Any word from the Innocence Project or Scott Peterson?
No, Scott Peterson just sat there. He joined virtually via Zoom from prison. We watched him. He was quiet the whole time, taking notes as well, and he didn't really have much of a reaction when the judge made this ruling. His brother and sister-in-law were here in the courtroom. They have supported him all these years. I asked his sister-in-law, Janie, whether she would comment on this. She said she would not. The attorneys just walked out as well. The attorneys on both sides. So at this point, no comment from anybody. And Laci Peterson's family has also not commented on any of this since the LA Innocence Project took on the case. Scotty.
We'll see what happens next. Liz, thank you so much for that.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app, or follow us on social media.